Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove card from Bolt application. If you want to remove your debit or credit card that you've chosen as a method of payment, or you've entered it on your Bolt application as a method of payment, then you can simply open your Bolt app first and make sure to sign into your account. Once you're logged into your Bolt account, go to the top left corner and tap on the menu button. In the expanded pop-up, click on Payment. Under Payment Methods, you will be able to see the list of payment methods that you've added, including your credit card or debit card. Select your credit or debit card from the options and then tap on Delete in order to remove your card from Bolt application. And that is how you can easily do it. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.